Good morning, my beauties. It's me, Miss Ultimate Beauty. It's bright and early, but it's the perfect time to go to the beach. So follow along and see how I got this look for my beach day. Okay, guys, we're doing a Get Ready With Me beach edition. I haven't done a Get Ready With Me in like literal years. I was like, let me just do one with y'all real quick. I'm going to the beach, so it's not nothing too crazy that I'm doing. But, you know, of course, I got my eyebrows already done. Now I'm about to just put on some, like, waterproof foundation, lashes, a little bit of concealer, and then I'll be good to go. I'm not really doing, like, a tutorial per se, but I'm just showing y'all the stuff that I use on my face when I go to the beach. So, first, I'm going to set my face with setting powder. This is the best setting powder I ever got in my life. I actually got it at a makeup show. The makeup artist, I love her and I know her and I love her work. And every time I see her, I'm so excited. And when she came out with this powder, it was around a time when people weren't setting their face first. She was the one that like exposed me to that. She was like, put this on before foundation. I'm like, ah. She said, yeah, it's gonna make a big difference. So thanks to her, I've been doing this since. So while that's sitting, I'm going to put on my lashes. Now these are the Queens Get the Money lashes from my Miss Ultimate Beauty Lashes collection. I love these lashes. This is the third time I'm wearing them. As you can see, they are full and nice and luxurious, but they're not too dramatic, meaning they don't look like crazy, like they're taking over your whole eye, which is why I like them. I'm using a non-latex glue, eyelash glue, get a little bit more sensitive to my lash, and then I'm just gonna go like this to kind of curve it and let it like dry. You see, these are a nice curve. Put my lash on. I'm not really gonna do too much eyeshadow today. I usually do like a nice eyeshadow, but there's no need because, like I said, I'm going to the beach, so it's like it doesn't make any sense to do a whole full eye. I mean, I could pop out with some shimmery eyes, but I'm honestly tired and I just like kind of want to relax and lay up on the beach already, so I don't want to take too much time. And my friend is waiting for me, so I don't want them there any longer. Thank God it's the beach, so it's like a place where you can kind of patiently wait for somebody, but I was just like out of it this morning, so just let that sit, don't touch it, don't move it around, like let the glue dry to the lash, and any type of fixing you have to do, you could do after. I'm not doing much to my hair because it's probably gonna get wet, so I'm gonna show you what I am gonna do to it just to make it like look presentable. Again, with the lash, I just go like this to curve it a little bit, so you curve on my lid, and then I also am drying the glue down a little bit. If my hands are shaky, my bad. I had coffee this morning. I usually don't drink coffee. I'm more of a tea person, but I'm just like so sleepy lately. Like I just got to. So I've been using this concealer forever. It is my ultimate favorite. They do not make it anymore. Biggest mistake Lord Mercier ever made. I don't know what is on their biscuit. They need to bring it back. But I have some left, and I literally cherish it and use it. Especially like if I'm gonna be out all day. Like today I'm probably gonna be out chilling, hanging out with my guy or whatever. So I don't want to have to worry about touching up too much later. So this concealer is the best. It's super full coverage, it brightens. I don't know why they stopped making this concealer. They replaced it with some new concealer that really, in my opinion, sucks. But this is the best ever. So if you guys find it somewhere on Amazon or something like that, get this. It's everything. Look how much it brightened up my face. Like, look, I look like a baddie already. Like, I'm gonna do nothing. That concealer's lit. I love this concealer. So put that under there. So what I do is I go like this, because it gives the illusion of like having brought some down on my lid. Okay. even know if they still make this or not, but it's pretty good. I get it a little bit warmer than my skin because I'm blending it on top of the light foundation, and it just looks better that way. And then it's like a warmer look on my face because I'm about to get mad tan anyway, so. I don't know why I wanted to do a video too, because like I want to compare my skin, because my skin like never gets to be its real color, because I'm always like tan, I'm always in the sun, I'm always traveling somewhere warm, you know. So this is not even the real color of my skin. It's a lot lighter than this, but I have not been out the sun since April. I've been in very tropical places. So then I'm gonna put on my Mercier. Wow, I'm using a lot of the Mercier. I didn't realize. They also stopped making this like psychos. Like, I don't know what to tell y'all. Like I said, this is not a like what to get thing. This is just my everyday what I use type of makeup routine. For like a quick, fast, popping look. It doesn't take too long and looks really natural and pretty honest. Looks so pretty. So you see how this gives me a nice glow, and this actually has SPF in it. Everything. It really is everything. Okay, so my skin looks freaking fabulous, actually. And then I'm gonna use the full sleeves lash lift. I love this mascara. It's waterproof. Doesn't go anywhere. I'm gonna put a little bit on my bottom lash. And then I'm just gonna adjust my lashes like this. Make sure they stick in to the lid. And then a little bit of mascara under there. Perfect. So you see the difference. Tighten it. Different kind of mix it up on lipstick. Now, for the hair, I'm not going to do much. Like I said, it makes no sense. I could press it or curl it, but it makes no sense because I'm literally about to rub my hair. So I'll use a little bit of the Moroccan sleek. I'm going to just put a little top. I ain't gonna lie. The root from the top of my head to the ends, especially down at the ends. Ready, and I got my lips on, y'all. And I'm about to head out. Literally my favorite lip combo. I wear it every day, no matter what. I wear the lip injection by Too Faced and Makeup Revolution lip liner in Tea Tree. My favorite lip combo. I don't even need to put nothing else on. It goes every look. I love it. And it makes my lips tingle. I love that tingly feeling. I love it. Makes me feel pretty. Look at my dude. hoop earrings. I love hoops. Studs are fun, but hoops just take it to the next level, and they're not too big, so it's not like, you know, too much. And that's it. Looks very simple, easy, quick makeup look. Beach ready. I look ready for the beach. I look ready if I have to have brunch or anything afterwards. Because it's still very early. We're doing a very early beach day. If you want, you can put like a bunch of glitter and powder here. I'm not really in the mood to do all of that today because I don't want to mess up my bikini and make it like filled makeup or whatever. So my beauties, thanks for watching my Get Ready With Me Beach Edition. I'm going to be back with another vlog for you. My day at the beach vlog is going to probably be made after this one. So I'll see y'all soon.